7.
One step closer. For us. Let's go.
Load or traffic altitude for approach and landing. We still have to cover the distance of 102 aeronautical miles, still cruising at the ground speed of 340 nautical miles per hour. Time now is exactly 29 in the afternoon, Japan time, and there's 1 hour difference between time in Manila. We expected to be on ground at 5:52 this afternoon, and we're just arriving in Narita at least 2 minutes ahead of our scheduled arrival time. Weather during this descent is generally fine, expecting good weather on our approach and landing. However, for your safety, kindly have your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, and we might encounter some light to moderate turbulence during our approach and landing. Weather report in Narita is recorded there with a visibility of more than 6 kilometers, with reported light rains all over the field and at the ground temperature of 20 degrees centigrade.
Welcome to Japan.
May naiwan.
Ano?
Yung isang nagpilo.
Nasa Japan na tayo. This is the view. May yung mga dangada lang namin. May aso pa.
Oo, may aso nga. Kaya nga bawal ang fresh na.
Fresh nga ang bawal.
Kasi may aso. Pag ano sila, wala. Ano ka na.
Inaano ko nga, huwag kang tatawal, huwag kang tatawal. Di ba? Yung aso sabi ko, huwag kang tatawal, huwag kang tatawal.
So ngayon ang aso ngayon, kaya hindi na bawal mga fresh.
Kaya sabi ko, huwag kang tatahol, huwag kang tatahol. Pag tumahol, meron yan na.
Kahit ngayon Jollibee yung bit-bit mo, bawal. Dati pwede pa eh.
Oo. Pero mga cake pwede.
Yung cake, walang problema doon. Basta cake, mga puro cake nga lang.
Endo. Welcome to Japan. Uname nakamanga saka binigyan ng nagha. Parang lumit sa sakyan mo. Yan, unit na yan, no. Toyota ano to? Box. Parang small Alphard siya, no. Nasa Japan na nga kami. Ang ganda na ng daan, walang lubak. Ang linis, tahimik. Tsaka yung sok, Japanese na, oh.
Walang tambay.
Walang tambay.
Walang nagtititira si Chap. Wala nagtititira.
Yun, ganda ng expressway, oh. Toll gate. Di ba? Walang tigil, hindi titigil. Pabawal ka dito? Bakit? Bawal ka mag-drive? Bakit? Sa mga right yan, dumediretso ka.
Yan, yellow hat. Ano yan? Car shop din. Pero
Family Mart?
Parang Autobox. Ayun, Family Mart.
Uy, Family Mart. Uy, 7-Eleven. 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 1 piso. Andito. Ay, bibili mo? Nasa Japan na nga ako. Oo, alam mo. It's nice to be back. It's nice to be back.